Have you ever wanted to connect to Western North Carolina farms with guided tours, hands-on activities, and even tastings? Then you should check out ASAP's 2019 Farm Tour. It's taking place June 22nd and 23rd from noon to 5 p.m. at farms across Western North Carolina. It's a great outing for all ages, abilities, and interests. There are a variety of farms on the tour: fruit and vegetable farms, creameries, vineyards, orchards, fiber farms, farms that raise animals, and more. Also, the more you support your local farming community, the more access to fresh food for the entire community. Cost is $30 for the whole weekend, and if you register early, you can win a chance for a $25 gift certificate to Early Girl Eatery, one of the tour sponsors. To learn more about the tour or to register, please visit asapconnections.org.